for your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today's meeting is not without reason. The chance to get together is highlight anticipate. In the first greeting is not answer. Make sure the second greeting is not missed. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thanks. Introduce, my name is Selviangrani Jamal. I am the moderator who will get the presentation and discussion today. Today we will discuss microeconomics material which consists of several discussion. Namely, first, the notion of microeconomics, then the scope of microeconomics, microeconomics theory, example of economics policies, example of microeconomics activities, microeconomics objective, and related microeconomics influence on the running of a business. Okay, to streamline time, I am invite the first presenter, Mrs. Ani Prastika.
Okay, I will explain the general understanding of microeconomic and the understanding according to expert. Microeconomics as a science that study the behavior of producer and consumer as well as I will once good or service will be traded with reference to market trends. Definition of microeconomy according to expert. Number one, according to Adam Smith, microeconomic namely says the existence of various rational consideration in making decisions that are chosen by economic actor. Number two, according to David Ricardo, the notion of microeconomic is a combination in which economic actors already have information about the ins and outs of market. That's why the microeconomy is a determining factor of the global economy market. Number three, according to David Amos, microeconomics as a step for analyzing decision made by an individual or group starting from the factor to consideration of cost and benefit. Last number, according to Mary Marchett and William M. Snell, microeconomy is the study of individuals, whole and companies making decisions in the economic process. Thanks. I return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for the presentation of the materials. Next, I invite the next presenter, Mrs. Sri Rahmaniar.
Okay, I will discuss scope of microeconomics. Number one, interaction in the good market. Number two, seller and consumer behavior. Number three, interaction in factor market in production. Number four, use value theory. Number five, market structure theory. Number six, price elasticity. Number seven, industry, and number eight, input market. The next, microeconomics theory. Number one, price theory. The price theory explains the equilibrium price between sellers and buyers, where both of them carry a cut a bidding process until an agreement is reached at a certain price level. Number two, production theory. The analysis is carried out on all matters related to production of goods and service. Number three, distribution theory. Distribution theory is carried out with the aim of analyzing labor wages profits and the amount of interest that must be paid to the owners of capital. Number 4, consumption theory. Consumption theory is a theory that refers to the behavior of various consumer in the context of meeting the needs. Okay, I return in the moderator.
Okay, thank you. Next, I invite the next presenter, Mrs. Asnita Sari.
Okay, example of microeconomics. Microeconomics can be seen when producers and consumers carry out rational economics activities. The following are examples of microeconomics events that apply in Indonesia. 1. Application. First, an example of microeconomics is demand. Demand is the number of items purchased or requested at a certain price and time. Number 4, offer. For tomorrow, an example of microeconomics is supply. Number 3, consumer behavior in production. In addition, another example of microeconomics is the behavior of consumers and producers. Number 4, price. Price is certainly part of the microeconomics example because it has a relationship with the value of an item. Next, F. Macro and microeconomics affect the course of business. 1. The law of supply and demand. A business gains by trying to understand the behavior patterns of its consumers. He observes the interaction between producer and buyer that affect the demand itself, include the price of goods consumer interested. Number 2, startups. Startups are new companies that are in the research and development stage to find the right market segmentation. Next, I return to the moderator.
Okay, thanks. Next, I invite the final presenter, Mrs. Karima.
Thank you. Alright, I will continue the material on macro and microeconomics affecting business. Number 3, economic cycle. A high level of demand will trigger an increase in price, which will then have impact on the smaller amount of the budget spent. Then, when the number of offer exceeds the number of requests, this will contribute to the prosperity of society. The economic cycle itself is a wave of ups and downs on economic activity consisting of 4 elements. The rise, commonly known as an upturn or expansion, the peak or culmination point, the downward movement, commonly known as a downturn or recession, and the lowest point on nadir. Number 4, cost of goods and service microeconomics theory. Companies try to increase their production efficiency based on the highest level on the income, taking on into account various additional costs, but only minimal ones. For example, when production is increased, the need for labor will also increase, which will increase wage cost and potential affect sales price. In microeconomics, labor costs are usually the highest cost of the business. Number 5, pricing equilibrium price. or the price that is formed at the meeting point of the supply and demand curve. The price of the product and service will then have an impact on the number of consumer. For example, setting a price above the average does not mean great profit because wherever people will buy the product. The product price must be in accordance with the consumer budget according to the predetermined target market. Then, the last material is the objective of microeconomics. Basically, the main goal of microeconomics is to make it easier for companies to understand customer needs. Even though microeconomics also has other together, namely number 1, to perform a price analysis of the product to be traded, not only applicable to product price but also to service price. Number 2, to analyze whether there is a market failure. In other words, products that are market and then fail can be assessed as even better to that they are able to compete with competitors. Studying microeconomics is very important for predicting and designing future corporate strategies. Microeconomics will make it easier for companies to understand customer behavior, wants, and needs. Thanks. I return it to the moderator.
Thanks. Some material related to microeconomics have been presented. Furthermore, we provide opportunities for participants who have questions. Are there any questions?
Okay, fine.
Okay, I invite Mr. Andi Arham.
Okay, thanks for your time. I will ask for microeconomic. What is the main goal of microeconomy? I leave it to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I repeat the question from Mr. Andi Arham. What is the main goals of microeconomics? How about the speaker? Does anyone want to answer?
I am.
Okay. I will answer Andi Arhan question. What is the main goal of microeconomics? Okay. Basically, the main goal of microeconomics is to make it easier for a company to understand consumer needs. This is answer from I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you. Is there any response from Mr. Andi Arhan?
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you your answer.
Okay, thanks. Or any feedback from other participants?
Me?
I invite Mrs. Salsabila. I invite Mrs. Salsabila.
Okay, thanks. Let me add to the answer from my friends. Even so, microeconomy also has another goal, namely to carry out an analysis of the price of production that will be traded. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks. What question number 2?
I am.
Okay, I invite the Mr. Mahmud Ardi Hartawan.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. My question is, how can the microeconomy issue on the company? Thank you.
Thank you for question. How about the speaker? Does anyone want to answer?
Yeah.
I invite Mrs. Salsabila.
Okay, thank you. I will answer the question. The microfinance will facilitating enterprise in understanding behavior, willpower, and necessity. Customer can do analysis on the mechanic become a relativity low price fraction of the product, but goods and service and application from limited source alternative uses. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. That's the answer from Mrs. Salsa. Any feedback from Mr. Mahmud Ardi Hartawan or other participants? Sorry, any feedback from Mr. Mahmud Ardi Hartawan or other participants?
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. That's today's presentation and discussion. Thank you for your participation. Have a good rest or continue your respective activities. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.